Today, we're diving into the world of winter adventures with our roundup of the 6 best snowshoes for women of 2024. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, snowshoeing is a fantastic way to explore the winter landscape. So, let's get right into it. Number 6. MSR Revo Ascent Women's Snowshoes Performance. The MSR Revo Ascent snowshoes are designed for varied terrain, providing excellent grip and stability on steep, icy trails. Their lightweight construction makes them ideal for long treks, ensuring comfort during extended wear. Technology and features. Traction features the MSR's Posi-Lock binding system for a secure fit. Decking, durable, flexible decks that handle deep snow. Heel lift, integrated heel lifts to reduce fatigue on ascents. Weight, lightweight design for agility and ease of movement. Design. The women's model is ergonomically shaped for better fit and efficiency in movement. A sleek, feminine aesthetic enhances its appeal. Weight approximately 3.5 pounds for the pair, making it suitable for all-day use without heavy lifting. Price? Retailing around $239.95, offering great value for its performance and durability. Pros: excellent traction on steep and icy surfaces. Comfortable bindings for a secure fit. Lightweight and durable construction. Cons: higher price point compared to some competitors. Limited color options. Number 5. Tubbs Wilderness Women's Snowshoes Performance. Ideal for moderate to challenging terrains, offering great traction and stability. Versatile for both recreational hikes and more demanding trails. Technology and features. Fit-step frame. Reduces impact on joints by 10%. Rotating toe cord. Reduces snow buildup, improving mobility. 180 Pro binding ensures a secure, comfortable fit. Cobra traction provides excellent grip on icy and steep surfaces. Design: sleek, ergonomic design tailored for women's stride, ensuring comfort and ease of use. Weight: lightweight construction for easy maneuverability. Price: typically around $200. Pros: great traction, comfortable, secure fit, lightweight design. Cons: expensive compared to some alternatives. May not suit very aggressive mountain terrain. Number 4. Crescent Moon EVA All-Foam Snowshoes. Performance: ideal for beginners and casual hikers on flat to moderate terrain, providing excellent comfort and flotation in powdery snow. Technology and features. Unique EVA foam construction offers superior cushioning and flexibility, reducing impact on joints. Dual hook and loop straps ensure secure fit, while the rocker design enhances natural stride. Design: sleek, minimalist design with a lightweight foam body. The snowshoes are easy to put on and remove, featuring vibrant color options. Weight: approximately 3.5 pounds per pair. Price: $159. Pros: extremely comfortable due to foam cushioning. Lightweight and easy to use, good for casual snowshoeing. Cons: not suitable for steep or icy terrain, limited traction compared to traditional snowshoes. Number 3. Atlas Electra Montane Women's Snowshoes Performance. Designed for backcountry adventures, these snowshoes offer excellent traction, stability, and comfort, perfect for challenging terrains. Technology and features. Spring-loaded suspension for natural foot articulation and shock absorption. Wrap helix binding for a snug, precise fit. Heel lift bar to reduce calf strain on steep climbs. Design: tailored specifically for women, featuring a narrower frame and a light, ergonomic design for enhanced maneuverability. Weight: approximately 4.0 pounds per pair. Price: around $250. Pros: lightweight, excellent traction on varied terrain, comfortable binding system. Cons: pricey, may not be ideal for deep powder conditions. Number 2. Tubbs Flex VRT Snowshoes for Women Performance. Designed for superior traction on steep and icy terrain, offering excellent control and support in various conditions. Technology and features. Features the Boe Fit system for quick adjustments, a Viper 2.0 crampon for enhanced grip, and the FlexTail design for natural heel-to-toe motion. Design: sleek, ergonomic design for optimal balance and comfort, with a flexible deck that absorbs shock. Weight: approximately 4.5 pounds per pair. Price: around $250. Pros: great traction on challenging terrain, comfortable and easy to adjust Boe system, durable and lightweight. Cons: slightly heavier than other models, pricier compared to basic snowshoes. Number 1. MSR Lightning Ascent Women's Snowshoes. Performance: the MSR Lightning Ascent provides excellent traction and support for extreme backcountry terrain. It performs well in steep, icy conditions with aggressive grip and stability. Technology and features. 360-degree traction frame ensures maximum grip. Advanced Paragon binding provides secure, pressure-free comfort. Ergo televators make uphill travel easier. Design: streamlined and lightweight, designed specifically for women's foot shapes and gait, offering optimal maneuverability. Weight: 3 pounds 12 ounce pair. Price: approximately $359.95. Pros: excellent traction on all terrains. Comfortable, secure bindings, ideal for steep ascents. Cons: premium price point, heavier than some competitors.